Hello guys, welcome back to my training. My name is Ajayi Abdul, and in today's training I'm going to be teaching you about Trustwallet and NFT, right? I'm going to be teaching you how hackers use the concept of Trustwallet to hack people's wallet account, Trustwallet account. Now you know that Trustwallet is a very popular wallet that people use, right? Trustwallet is a very popular wallet that people use, and people use Trustwallet to connect to their NFTs. They use it to buy cryptocurrency, and they use it to sell cryptocurrency too. So it's one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallet and everyone uses. Now with the concept of Trust Wallet and NFTs, now I want to show you how hackers create Trust Wallet website to hack people's wallet account using the concept of Trust Wallet and NFT. Now as you can see in this particular website, you can see claim and hold 5,730 NFT into your Trust Wallet instantly, right? So when you put up this kind of website and you see something like Connect Trust Wallet, and as you can see, this site look exactly as Trust Wallet website, but this is not actually Trust Wallet website, right? But it looks exactly as Trust Wallet website, and as you can see on the side, you see Connect Trust Wallet, right? You can see Connect Trust Wallet and Connect Trust Wallet, right? So now if I click on Connect Trust Wallet from anywhere, if I click on it from here, I say Connect Trust Wallet, and you see it's gonna take me to this environment and say Connect Trust Wallet. So immediately I click on Connect Trust Wallet, right? So it's like they're telling you that you want to claim over $5,700 into your Trust Wallet, and all you have to do is connect your Trust Wallet account, right? Connect your Trust Wallet, connect your Trust Wallet. So immediately you come here and ask you to enter your Trust Wallet phrase and say, this is a man that has crypto for sale in 2022, so you have to buy it now, right? So immediately you enter that and you click on validate. Awesome. Can you see that? When you click on validate, it says error verifying Trust Wallet, please try again later, right? So you click on OK. Now as you are trying again later, you click again, try again later. Your Trust Wallet phrase have already been sent to their email, right? Your Trust Wallet phrase have already been sent to their email, and as you are here struggling, they're going to use that 12 Trust Wallet phrase that you enter, download Trust Wallet, and immediately enter that phrase into Trust Wallet. And immediately they enter that phrase into Trust Wallet, automatically your account in Trust Wallet is automatically open on their mobile phone, and they can use that to transfer all of the funds in your account. So I'm going to show you how these guys develop this kind of website, right? So let's first of all check my email if that information has been captured to my email. So let me just first of all refresh this, because I connected that script to this email. Can you see that? You see that Trust Wallet? So if I click on it to open it now, can you see that this is a man that has crypto for sale, so you have to buy it? Can you see the phrase that I just entered right away from this website? Can you see that from this website it has come to my email, right? So I want to show you how hackers create this kind of website, right? So you can also use this for your project, you can also use it for your defense, you can also use it for whatever purpose that you want to legitimately use this for. I always do a disclaimer on my video. I am not responsible for any act of fraudulent activities that you use this tutorial to do. All I am doing is to educate you and to show you how stuff work online, right? So I'm going to show you in less than 30 minutes how you can create, or how these guys create this kind of website, and you can also create it if you follow this video step by step. Within 30 minutes of your time, you have created this particular one. So for you to create this kind of website, so the first thing you need to know is that you must have to purchase the domain name and hosting, right? You must have to purchase the domain name and hosting. So I highly recommend that if you want to purchase domain name and hosting, you go to Namecheap or you use Bluehost, right? You use Namecheap or you use Bluehost. So like I always say, I have a referral link on Bluehost. So if you are using Bluehost, you're going to see my referral link under this particular video, and you have to click on my referral link to purchase your Bluehost hosting. Now the thing is that if you do that, Bluehost is going to give me a commission, and they're going to give you a domain name for free, right? So it's a win-win situation for me and you're also helping me to grow. So I'm going to have a commission for referring you to know that I am the one who referred you through my video, and they're going to give me a commission. So but let me just enter Namecheap and see. So this is Namecheap. So I can say Trust Wallet NFT claims, right, .com, right? So I can do something like this, and I can do a search if that domain name is actually available, right? Trustwallet NFT claim. So probably if you are doing your domain name, you don't really need to do exactly what I do, like Trustwallet NFT free. You don't really need to call Trustwallet. But if you want, if that's okay for you, that's okay. So as you can see, the domain name is available from here, and all you can do is what you can add that domain name to cart, right? You can add that domain name to cart. So let me go to Bluehost again. I'll click on host your site. So when I click on host your site, I'll scroll down, and so I'll scroll down, and then I'll select this smaller package. This smaller package is just enough for you to do this, right? So I'm going to select that smaller package, and then it's going to tell me to sign up. And when they ask me to sign up, so I'm going to put my domain name right here to check if that domain name is available, and I'll say .com and just remove this one here because they already gave me .com. Then I'm going to click on next. So if that domain name is available, it's going to tell you the Trustwallet claims is available. Can you see that? The domain name is available right now from here. So you can just scroll down, enter your name, enter your last name, enter your business name, your country, your street address. Just enter all of the information, and when you come down here, you just click on no, that you don't need this your service. You don't need it, so you turn it off. Turn all of this off, turn all of this off. Anywhere you see free, you can use this, and you can see the amount here that you're going to pay just to get it. And you can just enter your credit card details right here, and your CVV and your expiry date, right? So if you don't have credit card to pay for this, I always advise people to use this card. It's called Glacier. Glacier is a very, very good card, especially for people in Africa, right? They have an app, so you can just download the app, register, and fund the account, then create a card, right? They allow you to create a virtual credit card that you can use to purchase anything online, right? So the same thing with Namecheap. If it is available, all you need to do is add to cart, then you go to what, share those things, right? You go to share those things, and you just also take this smaller package. Now when you do that and follow up on the registration, you're going to register, purchase the domain name. They are going to send you a cPanel username and password and a link to log in to your cPanel, right? So they are going to send you that. So, and it's usually something like let me do something like this, say com/cPanel, right? So this is how to enter your cPanel. So you're going to enter your cPanel like this. Can you see that? So the username and the password that they send to you, you're just going to enter the username and the password on the username and the password field. So you can see, just enter the username and password here, and immediately you do that, you will be logged in and you will come to this environment like this. Can you see that? So just follow my video step by step. In less than 30 minutes, you get this done. Now when you get here, all you need to do is just go to file, type file, just search for file manager. So you're going to see, if you type file here, you're going to see file manager. So just click on file manager to open. So immediately file manager opens for you. The next thing you're going to do is what? Locate public_HTML. Look at it here, public_HTML. So you just make sure you click on public_HTML. Now when you click on public_HTML, you are not going to be seeing all of these many files that you are seeing here. The reason why you are seeing all of these files here is because I already use this as tutorial. I already have a lot of sites that I'm building right here. So I just create a folder, and this is how I create a folder. So I click on folder, right? So I can say cassette Trustwallet. So it means that my site is going to be www.mysitename.com/Trustwallet. But if you are doing this for a client, or you are doing this for yourself, and you just purchase the domain name and hosting, you don't need to create a folder. All you need to do is just come here and upload direct. So the files will be uploaded into your public_HTML. But for me, I don't want to do that. I want to upload the file into this folder that I just created. So, but for me, I want to upload the file into this particular folder that I just created. So don't worry about the file. I'm going to tell you at the end of this video how you are going to get access to the file that I want to use for this training. I'm going to put a download link for you to be able to download this file and follow the same processes that I follow, right? If you want to write this as a programmer, it's going to take you months, weeks, and probably 6 months for you to do this. But you do not need to pass through all that stress, because I've already done that for you. I've already written the program. I've already made this very simple for you to do. So all you have to do is just follow my tutorial and get that particular file. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you will get that file. So I'll just open this folder. I'll click on it by the left hand side like that. So it's going to open. You see the directory is new, and I'll click on upload. Then I'll click on select file. Then the file is on my desktop. It's called Trustwallet. So this is the file on my desktop. So I'll just double click on it. It's going to upload that file for me. So within some few minutes, that file is just going to upload for me, right? The file is just going to upload for me. So like I told you, I am going to give you access to this file, right? So you do not need to start creating this thing from scratch. You do not need to start programming this, most especially if you are not a good programmer. Even people who are very good in programming also find it very difficult to program something like this. So that is the reason why you have me to always come here and teach you all of these things, how you can easily get this thing done, and how you can, make life easy for yourself, right? So know what the hackers know, and you will not fall a victim of hacking, right? So, and there are people who are ready to pay you millions and thousands of nairas or dollars for you to show them how all of these things work on Fiverr.com, on Upwork.com, on Freelancer.com. You can put up this kind of services, and people are ready to buy these services, even up to $1,000 from you. So I'm going to show you how you can get this done easily. So 100% as read, so you let it turn to green. Immediately it gets to 100%, you wait for it to turn to green. So as you can see, it has turned to green. So I'm just going to click on back. So it's going to take me back here. So look at it here, is here. So I'll right click, look at it here. I'll just right click on this, and I'll click on what? Extract. Then I'll click on what? Extract files. Awesome, the files have been extracted. Can you see that? So this is the main file here. So but let me just first of all delete this, because I don't need this anymore. So you may choose to delete that, or you may choose to lose and leave that. It does not have anything to do with you. So I will double click again and open this. So here are all of these files. So I'll just click on select all, right? I'll just click on select all, then I'll just click on what? Move. Can you see that? So if you are moving to public_HTML, you remove everything here to remain only public_HTML. But for me, I don't want it on public_HTML. I want it on public_HTML / the Trustwallet folder that I created. So I'll just move it right here. So as you can see, all of this is moved. Awesome, right? So just go back one more step. So I am inside. So look at where I am, inside this folder, right? So if I copy this, here I am, and I go here and say home, my domain name, and I put / and I put my my folder name. Yeah, also that file, you can see that I press enter. So you're just going to see what is going to happen. Boom. Can you see that? Boom. Awesome. Can you see that? See that? Awesome. Awesome. This is awesome. Can you see that? So you see that? So in less than 5-10 minutes, when you upload it, you already get this up and running. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? This is so awesome. Oh, can you see that? So connect Trustwallet. So immediately you do that, the next thing you have to do is what? You have to connect these buttons, right? All of these buttons on this side, you have to connect them to your normal Gmail, so that when these forms are filled, when this button is clicked and they connect their phrase to the to claim 5,730 NFT, their Trustwallet phrase is automatically sent to you. Is that awesome? That's awesome. So let me just quickly show you how to get that done. So now this is our folder. So all you need to do is what? You just come here, and then you're going to see this sync folder, right? This is sync folder. So open the sync folder, right? So immediately you open that sync folder, you are going to see something like sync.php, right? This is where the connection file is. So you just right click on it, then you click on edit, right? Can you see that? So you click on that, then you click on edit. So it's going to take you to this particular file. So when you take you to this particular file, just create a webmail, right? Just create a webmail, just like I have a webmail here, right? So you put the webmail here, then you put something like the title right here. Can you see that? The title right here. Then you put your Gmail here. It means that you want it sent to this Gmail. So I want to remove this Gmail and put another Gmail. So let me just put so you see how it's going to be sent to this Gmail. Can you see that? So I'm going to put that email. So you create this webmail. So let me show you how to create this webmail. So I'm going to come here and I will say email. So click, just search for email. So this is email account. So this is email account. So I'm going to click on email, and I'm going to create that particular email, right? So I'm going to create that particular email. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to call this. Let me just call it trust. Can you see that? I'm going to call it trust, and so I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to generate that password, and I'm just going to click on create. Awesome. So every email will be sent out from this particular email. So just copy this email that I've created. Can you see that? So I'm going to copy that email that I've created. So I'm just going to come back to the configuration. Where's my configuration? So you see that? So I'm going to replace this with that. So just make sure you don't make any mistake here. So Trustwallet. So I'm going to put this Gmail. This is where it's going to go. So anything you like, you can change this Trustwallet to anything, but I'll just leave it because that's how the email will come on my title. Okay, I can say new Trustwallet hack. Can you see that? New trust. Okay, I say new trust hack. So let me just put it this way, new trust hack. So I put my Gmail here, and I'll come here also. I can remove this. So let me just do that for you so that you see that new trust hack. Can you see that? So you do that for anywhere you see that. Let's come here again. So you replace this again. Just take your time to do that, and I'll come here again and say new trust hack, right? So you can also do this from here. You can say new trust hack if you like. Awesome. So okay, so this is not the Gmail I want to use, so I want to use this particular Gmail. So you use your particular Gmail, and then so let me scroll down. Yeah, so I'm going to replace this again. Then I'm going to say new trust hack. Can you see that? So the same thing I'm going to do right here. I'm going to replace this with my Gmail. So I'm going to replace this with my Gmail. Right, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come here again and say new trust hack. Can you see that? So just follow my steps step by step, and you're not going to have any issues with these, right? So this is very simple. So I'm going to do this again right here. So I'm just taking my time to do all of this, so you just see. I don't want to just explain. I just want to show you how this works. So I'm going to change these two to new trust hack. New trust hack. Can you see that? So I'm going to do that. So the same thing I'm going to do right here. So this may be the last. So I'm just going to put here, and then I'm come here and say new trust hack. So I'm going to put my Gmail here, right? So I think that's all I have to do here, and if I like, I can also just do this. So you just have to take time to do this, and actually you just need to configure only one there, but I don't want to just confuse you. So when you're done with that, just click on save. Can you see that? So what that means is that anytime this button is clicked, can you see that? Anytime this button is clicked, anytime this is clicked, or anytime this is clicked, you just want them to be redirected to their trust wallet, and immediately they are redirected to their trust wallet. If you ask them to enter their trust wallet 12-word phrase for them to be able to claim $5,730. Who doesn't want $5,000 NFT, right? So let's test this and see if it's going to work. So I'm just going to click on Connect Trust Wallet. So let's see this. Awesome. Can you see that? Connect Trust Wallet. Connect your Trust Wallet to claim NFT. So you can see this word claim here is not correct, so we have to correct that. So let's go to the sync folder to correct that. Let's just correct that. So let's leave this. So let's come here. We are inside the sync folder. So this index page, let's right click this and click on edit. Edit, right? So let's search for this word claim, right? See that word there, claim. So for you to search for that, I say Control F and put this right here. Can you see that? So this is just going to pop out right here. So you remove that and make it what claim. So you can also change whatever you see here now. Can you see that? I can say and say claim $5,730 right now. Right, so I'm going to save that. So let me just save that. So you can actually edit that from there. So let me just refresh that. Awesome. Can you see that? Claim NFT 5,730 right now. Can you see that? Who doesn't want that? So you click on that. So it's going to initialize, and you can you see that? So it's going to tell you to enter your trust wallet phrase. I'll say can you see that? So I'm going to enter that, then I'm going to click on validate. So immediately I click on validate, so what's going to happen? Can you see that? It's going to say error verifying wallet. Can you see that? Error verifying wallet. So these guys will think that, okay, this thing is not working, they have to try. So another reason why this is very good is that if somebody enters the wrong wallet phrase, it's going to tell the person that this is wrong. So the person will be forced to come back right here and then try to enter the right. You see that? It's going to try to enter the right. So immediately keep doing that. Even if he enters the right one, it's still going to tell the person that this is not correct. But the thing is that this has already been collected. Can you see that? Look at it here. The 2 times I entered that. Can you see that? New trust hack. Can you see that? If I click on this to open this one, can you see that? This is my trust wallet phrase. Please give me an NFT. Look at the first one. What manner of guy is this? This guy is so awesome. Thank you. So this is how this information will be, sent to these guys email, and what they do is that immediately they go to the app store, download the Trust Wallet app, and when you download the Trust Wallet app, all you need to do is just click on create account. When you click on create account, you're going to see something like import an account. When you click on import an account, it's going to ask you for this particular phrase, and immediately you enter this phrase, it's going to open that Trust Wallet account. And whatever funds that is inside that Trust Wallet account, these guys will be able to transfer these funds out of that wallet without needing your username or password, without any questions asked, and these funds are just going to be transferred to another wallet, right? So guys, this is very, very, very awesome. So you can see that I am bringing this training to you. Can you see that this is a top-notch training and a cybersecurity training, that if you want to get this kind of training from people who claim to be cybersecurity experts, you're going to spend thousands of naira if you're in Nigeria, and you're going to spend a lot of dollars, up to $2,000, to learn all of this. And I have just shown you in a simple way how you can get this done in less than 30 minutes. This is so awesome. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and say thank you on this video, comment on this video, love this video, and tell me that you love this video, so that I will have the energy to do more and more of this kind of free videos for you. I'm also aware that a lot of people are taking this kind of my videos from my channel and selling this kind of video. Please do not buy this video. It is free of charge. I am not charging you for this video. It is free of charge, and no one has the right to sell or edit this video. People go as far as selling this video for $50 to other guys. I do not sell you. If you want to communicate with me, I will always drop my WhatsApp number on this video. Just look on the description of at the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp number. All you have to do is just connect with me right away. I am very, very active on WhatsApp. So I want to give you access to this script right now. So if you are in Nigeria and you need this particular script, maybe for your website, you need it for maybe your defense, you need it for project work and all of these, right? If you're in Nigeria, I'm just going to give you access to this script for just 30,000 naira. So you're going to get access to this script for just 30,000 naira. I'm going to give you access to this script, and you will see a description on the on this video where you can click, and automatically it's going to tell you to make payment online. And when you make payment online, you will automatically download this script. If you are not in Nigeria, let's say you live in any part of this world, you can also pay in dollars, and you are also going to see a link to this, right? You're also going to see a link to this, and this is just going for $50. So if you pay $50, you're going to see how you're going to pay $50, and you're going to get access to this script, and you can easily download this script, right? You can easily download this script on online, right? So this is how you're going to get access to this script. If you want to talk to me, you'll see my phone number there. Chat me. Do not try to chat all of those scammers who post on my video and say talk to me, right? Don't chat with these guys, right? There are a lot of people who come to my video and claim to be me. Do not be deceived by these guys, right? So just make sure you're talking to me. My number is always under my video, and nobody can attempt to change that, right? So thank you guys for listening to this a video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, and I will be energized to do this kind of video for you all over again and again, and to bring better cybersecurity training all for free of charge.